Are you looking for the best dual extruder 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best dual extruder 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. The high performance of the Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer offers you greater creative potential. With a maximum travel speed of 600 mm per second and with an acceleration of up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, your designs can be swiftly realized. No waiting required. The nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius within 35 seconds, saving you valuable time. Fast printing doesn't compromise on quality. The Core XY structure and all-metal frame ensure stability during high-speed movements. Offering multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm, you could strike a balance between speed and intricate details, achieving impeccable print quality. Adventurer 5M Pro employs pressure sensing for automatic bed leveling. It detects platform height with multi-point precision, ensuring flawless initial layers. No manual adjustments, no Z-axis calibration, and no print raft needed. Plus, the dual-sided PEI platform enables easy tool-less model removal. Unbox to print in 10 minutes. Integrated smart management via mobile app Flash Maker includes remote video monitoring, real-time progress tracking, parameter adjustments, and alerts. Features like auto shutdown, resume printing, and filament detection optimize workflow. Dual circulation system reduces dust, ensuring a safer, more convenient experience, giving you full control with ease. Number 2. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Full auto one-click leveling calibrates and levels the bed properly, making you a perfect first layer for every 3D print. It provides accurate and smooth surface to achieve quality printing performance. Core XY up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. Maximum speed 600 mm per second. The acceleration from 0 to 600 mm per second takes just 0.025 seconds. From unboxing to starting printing, only 10 minutes. Enjoy happy printing every day and great all-around quality. Vibration compensation, eliminating ghosting in prints. Nozzle with a flow of 32 mm superscript 3/s. 50 W heating power, 200 degrees Celsius heating up in 35 seconds. Precise and consistent extrusion for smooth and no blur prints. Eliminate the problem of empty spools during printing. Change filament when empty and resume. Worry-free from a power cutoff, you can resume the print from where it left off. Number 3. QIDI Plus 4 3D Printer. The X Plus 4 has a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches, which allows you to print multiple models at the same time, significantly increasing printing efficiency. The X Plus 4 inheriting the high-speed Core XY structure of X Plus 3, making it ideal for both professionals and beginners seeking faster and more efficient printing. QIDI Plus 4 has upgraded the chamber heating function. It has an ultra-high heating power of 400 W, and it adds air circulation design and dual-layer insulation to make the chamber temperature more balanced and consistent. It can effectively reduce warping and cracking when printing high-temperature filaments and improve print quality. The X Plus 4 comes with an upgraded 80 W high-temperature hot end and multi-metal integrated throat nozzle, reaching a maximum temperature of 370 degrees Celsius. Designed for faster installation and removal, it reduces clogging risks and offers exceptional wear resistance. This setup supports a wide range of high-temp filaments, including PPSCF, PPACF/GF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, PET and more, making it perfect for diverse printing applications. Unbox to print in 10 minutes. Remote print, real-time progress tracking is always available through the QIDI mobile app or QIDI Studio Slicer. X Plus 4 is also equipped with a HD camera for real-time remote monitoring and time-lapse photography. Filament wrap and break detection features reduce filament waste. It makes it easy for you to achieve total intelligent control, ensuring a safer, more efficient and convenient experience. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 3D Printer. The Mono 4 boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to its predecessor, improving from 35 micrometers to just 17 micrometers. With a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 x 17 μm on the X and Y axes. This enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. The time-tested Anycubic Li-Turbo Matrix light source technology delivers stable, balanced, and uniform lighting to eliminate layer lines and rasterization, creating models with ultra-smooth surface and maximum print details. Single-layer exposure times cut down to just 1.5 s to enhance print efficiency. More cohesive platform 2.0 plus 4-point leveling efficiency plus pickup where you left off plus activated carbon air purifier. Fully automated support generation. Intelligent analysis and optimization of support structures ensure 100% penetration-free models with smaller touchpoints for easier removal post-printing. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra S1 Multicolor 3D Printer. Features a full metal hot end capable of reaching a peak temperature of 320 degrees Celsius. A benchy can be completed in 15 minutes with 600 mm per second ultra-high speed to save your time. Its hotbed can consistently maintain a maximum temperature of 120 degrees Celsius, enabling effortless printing of filaments such as ABS, ASA, and other materials. Fully enclosed Core XY construction with 250 by 250 by 250 mm size Kobra OS system and cooling system minimize vibrations and enhance the responsiveness to improve the quality of printing. Levi Q 3.0 Auto Leveling System allows for effortless automatic bed leveling. Resonance compensation and flow correction eliminate resonance patterns in all models and enhance printing accuracy. And AI monitoring ensures smooth operation. The built-in camera can achieve AI monitoring, belt tension monitoring, and seamless operation. Instantly detects and alerts you to anomalies such as spaghetti, ensuring smooth operation. And the low quiet noise is as low as 44 dB. Anycubic Slicer Next is equipped with different specifications and filaments parameter sets. And Anycubic app supports remote control and elapsed time recording. Maker Online offers many free model resources.